Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2016 Harley Davidson XL1200X model. This bike has just a little under 2,300 miles on it and is in near mint condition. Doesn't show any signs that it's ever been tipped over or laid down, but it's got a couple of little minor scuffs on it. So we'll take our walk around it. We'll look at this pretty much all stock bike and then we'll fire it up. You know, like I said, this bike has been kept very clean. You know, got a little scuff there on the front corner of the fender. You know, almost like, I don't know, something got brushed across it, maybe while it was dirty. So, but they're really minor, and I mean, you really kind of have to look for them to find them. They've wrapped the grips and the rear blinkers. One thing I did forget to notice here, we've got our kind of our David Draymond type of spike here on the back fender. Got a really cool paint scheme here. Old school Harley shield and bar. This does come with an OEM passenger seat and passenger pegs, but that is really the only accessories that are on it, and they're OEM, so this bike is just waiting to be customized. A little spot right there, you can kind of see passenger pant leg or something, I suppose. But, you know, 2,300 miles on it, no damage, you know, a couple of little tiny scuffs, so basically still a mint, near mint condition, like new motorcycle. Okay. 2243 is what's on it. Tires on this 48 Sports are still in excellent condition as well. You got a lot of miles left on them. So this bike has gone through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this Harley from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course your accessories. Thank you for shopping. SimplyStreetBikes.com.